Love, what will happen? What shall I do? Shall I die in my prime, young and healthy, like this in your hands? Yes, death, if I trust in you. Now my worth promises me little with her. Still forever, as long as I live, no matter how I fare, I'll put my trust in her. I do the wrong thing in being so kind to you. What would you do if I were treacherous, evil, nefarious, and haughty? Would I be more fortunate? Yes, it seems to me, for now she's uptight towards me, because I have an earnest heart towards you. Now you dismay me the most, where I am most faithful to you, and I act indeed like a churl in it, for I am in love to my detriment. But I cannot act shamefully towards you, for now my fickle heart is rekindled where things go worst for me. But you have, and that'll be the death of me. Love, Barabbas habit, that you don't keep your most underhand tricks ever for the most begrudging ones, but you are cruel to those whom you have undisputedly in your power. Wherefore, although it grieves me, I shall speak love to you in the manner of a mongrel. Now I say it, you've driven me insane, cursed be forever your fortune among us, and I dread to say what. Let one decry that which confounds and abashes you. But I do say it, and if I decry it, and any low-born man objects, let him come armed into the lists and be blind. You're jealous, bite the dust if I don't wish to lose, and let he who wants write this down, unless it is somebody I'm afraid of. But there aren't on this side of the sea, nor there where the river Jordan flows, Saracens or Christians that I can't vanquish in pairs or trials. And if I have spoken like a boorish man, my great pain, which makes me tell the truth and doesn't please me, drives me to it. And I do pretend to be merry, and put myself down as cheerful and fickle, although I have been a pious hermit and much tearful. And I shall be a good man of the church always, if my heart doesn't keep me from it. And if my song were not somewhat harsh towards love, it would be held around Rhodes by a high-ranking countess, noble, beautiful, and true of heart.